this video, I'll talk about how you can create your watch list on TradingView. So when you head over to tradingview.com, you'll immediately be able to see your watch list. So let me just quickly go into a chart and you can see my watch list in here still. Then what you want to do is you want to click on the plus here if you want to add a new one. So if you click on this and you select anything, I already have Tesla on here. Let's just try and add gold. So if I add this one, you'll be able to see that it comes to my watch list. Now, if I click on it, I'll get over to the chart for it. And this way you can quickly go between them. Now you can see I have futures, Forex, crypto, stocks, and my indices. And you can do this like this. If you want, you can delete it. You can remove them from in here if there's some you don't want. And you can also go over to the advanced view, which is going to put it up like this. So that is basically how you can do it, guys. It's really easy. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.